What's up? What's good? What to do? What to do? How you guys doing? Cause I'm doing good, the way it should. Yeah, well and good. Okay guys, dah pun sampai ke hari ke-8. Like, you know, like aku ingat lagi the first day bila aku sampai, I was like, 15 hari lama tu. But then, you know, like next thing I know, like after things go on well, you know, things go as planned. Not really as planned, but things go smooth and better. Well, I don't even realize that time was passing by. Like, mashallah, it's so fast. Like, I don't even realize that it's already day 8, hari ke-8. And like, oh my god, mashallah, day 8 is so fast. Like, next thing I know, okay, it's just like literally 7 more days. Next Sunday, the following Sunday, I'm going back home on first Shawwal at 12 noon. So, I guess it's good, right? Time flew really fast. Anyways guys, alhamdulillah aku baru je buka. I had very good buka. Well, by the hotel, like amazing iftar, alhamdulillah. Really, I really truly, I don't know what to say, but really feel so appreciated by the effort that was made towards my meals, like every other meals after what had happened initially until now. It's been really good. So let me share with you guys what's up for my iftar. Alright, you guys ready to see what's for my iftar? Yeah? If you guys are ready, jom. Okay, well, that was what's for iftar today, guys, and alhamdulillah lah, kenyang is good. It's not too much. Macam like I think on the 4th day or 5th day was really banyak. Like, you know, my best friend gave me mutabak lah, like too much food. I had to force myself to finish them all. Alhamdulillah, finish. But so far from then on till now, just nice. You know, like I get good food from the hotel, and at the same time, here and there I got friends passing me food. You know, like, you know, Sunday, I think yesterday I was given, you know, like I had good dinding. Like, you know, like dinding is something I eat like once a year. Like during Ramadan je makan dinding. So it's a must, and alhamdulillah I managed to get it. So by what's that Ikamia brand. Oh my god, I actually forgot the brand. Cream. Yeah, Cream by, I think Cream by Ika Jamil. Alright, anyway guys, today alhamdulillah I managed to get also dapat rezeki daripada Chef DjSazali. Alright, chef yang pernah aku battle waktu kemarin dekat KL, battle masak on the first day, even on first day Ramadan. And dia hari ni dia buat bubur. Alright, and alhamdulillah dia telah kongsi bersama. Besar pula tu. Look at this, guys. Ni yang macam apa, bubur masjid yang they always do during Ramadan kan. There's a term for that. I forget what bubur apa dalam dia. Can't remember. But thanks Chef DjSazali for this bubur. Alright, proudly he brought to you by Lazatnya. Lazatnya is the main brand. And let's see. Ooh, wow, sure looks good, man. Okay, I'm gonna have a taste. Alright, and then no, maybe I should let you all take a look at it first before I try it. Okay, so let's check it out. And well, that's the bubur. Alright, and I'm gonna try it out. Okay, and if I'm not wrong, ni dia from what they share kat Facebook, it's his first time buat bubur ni. So well, I'm gonna give it a shot. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nice, ada kacang. And what's interesting there, somehow I have a taste of macam, you know, sup kambing. Is it, chef? Ada sup kambing macam or flavor of mutton. Somehow macam ada mutton taste. Menarik, nice ah. Oh yeah, I just recall guys. It's called bubur lambuk. Okay, bubur lambuk. Alright, so I want to thank Chef DjSazali for this wonderful bubur lambuk. Semoga segala amalan, segala amal jariah kau diberkati dan dibalas dengan melimpah ruah rezeki kau. Lagi ada baby baru kan, so lagi tambah lagi rezeki anak lagi kan, masya-Allah. Alright, so today memang it's been a very easy and relaxing day, di mana it's Sunday, so I would call it my off day also. Off day, like every day seems to be my off day, but I decided to just like chill. I woke up, luar hujan, and then nice weather, so I just snuggled on my bed the whole afternoon, and of course not to miss all my solat. And on top of that, I just watched Netflix the whole afternoon. So nothing much to share for today except for eating movies, Netflix, food, munch. That's it. That's Sunday. So tomorrow I'm going to start back the routine. I've got 7 more days. Yes, 7 more days, and I'm very sure that I can pull through this, alhamdulillah. And this would not have been possible for the kindness and the goodness of the people around me, my friends, my families, even the hotel staff. Again, I cannot stop mentioning his name, Fairuz, from Room Division Manager of Hotel Jen, Tanglin. Thank you so much to every single one of you who have contributed food to me. Guys, here I am trying to like get back to shape, but I'm being fat, alhamdulillah, dengan rezeki. And itulah, it's something good. Then yes, I'm gonna start back my routine tomorrow. So alright, wish you all well, wish you all good, the way it should. Alright, so let's see what's for supper later on. Okay. I'm gonna try. The mee goreng is good. Yeah, I think it's fried mushroom. Alright. I love fried mushroom, man. Alright, so this marks the end of my day 8. After this, probably a few more episodes on my Netflix. If you guys got any nice Netflix movie or series for me to watch, because I've watched most of them, feel free to share in the comment section below. Don't forget to please subscribe, share love, comment, whatever it is, right? And you can follow me on my social media. I'm all good. Right, it goes like Atrez. And well, day 8. I'm done and hope you guys are well too. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, right? So good night, sleep tight, sweet dreams. Atrez React signing out.
Yeah.